Here she comes. There she is. Skippy's already working over there where the sun is. That's why it looks weird. Hey.
Hey.
Sun's coming up. You want to say hi to everybody?
Hey.
Hey, that's my roommate. Right there. He's my benefactor. Sure has blessed me. Never said a bad word to anybody either. Not since I've known him. That's been 10 years maybe. It's a beautiful sunrise, even if those clouds are there. See, God has made all this for His glory. So no matter what happens, it always goes to His glory. So just know that if you walk with Jesus Christ, you'll be in His glory, and all things go to His glory. It's just beautiful. All the wrongs will be righted. Jesus is coming soon. Believe it, my brothers and sisters. That's why they're spreading the sky with this junk. They don't want us to see the signs in the sky. Because Jesus told us that's where the signs would be. Man, that's yellow. Wow. Wow. I wish you could see it with your eyes. It's just beautiful. Now there's some clouds. Oh, I'll show you guys something this morning. See those wispy clouds on the top there? And that black stripe coming out of that cloud? I like to call them those skeletal clouds. Yeah. Pray those away in the name of Jesus Christ. Right now, pray them away in the name of Jesus Christ. That's the garbage they're spraying on us. Just to clue you in. And it's all over the world, not just here. It's part of the UN Agenda 21. Check it out. You can find it right online. I did it years and years ago. Alright, I'm just going on. I'll let you go so you can get about your business. I love you guys very much. Thank you everybody for subscribing to my channel and coming by. I'll have some Emma TV later today. Love you. Bye for now.